Okay. Hi. Maddie's on her way to pick me up right now. She's picking me up first instead of last this time. And look, I have my pillow and my blanket for tonight. My pillow almost tried to attack me right now. Do you see that? And I have my clothes to sleep in. I have that nicely folded and now it's not. So, love life. Ah! I dropped it. Okay. So yeah, she's gonna be here in 2 minutes because she lives so close to me. So, I'm gonna say goodbye to my, you guys haven't met my rabbits! Okay guys, I got a rabbit not too long ago. Wait, have I vlogged? Okay, I don't think so. Okay, here's my rabbit. Also, don't come for me that he's in a plastic bin. We're getting him a cage. Don't worry. I've gotten picked up. And we're on our way. I'm eating cantaloupe because I got hungry and there's a 2-hour bus ride, so anyways.
I'm gonna drive like this.
Ew, we're gonna go pick up Ellen and Vanessa? And yeah, the both of them. Yeah. After we pick them up, we're gonna go to the school. I'm actually kind of scared.
Me too.
Like, I don't know how this is.
Really nervous.
I don't know how this is gonna go.
Probably gonna have to go to the hospital like mid.
Oh yeah, okay. Maddie calls me and she's like, I think I'm dying. And I'm like, what happened? Like, I thought like you forgot something or like something like that. And then she's like, my appendix is like about to burst. It was a whole situation.
We're gonna be fine.
Yeah, but we can't. Oh, there you are.
Wow.
No, because the lighting was bad. We're about to get on the bus. I think.
But
I'm not sure.
they're not gonna let Ashley on.
No, don't say that. You're gonna jinx it. Oh, now I'm gonna go for. You like popped in like right at the right time. Okay, we made it on the bus. As you can see.
I think it's a little broken.
Oh yeah. Alex broke our thing. It was already broken. Okay. Can you see? Axel. Hello.
You look like every way but there.
Okay, here's Ellen and Vanessa, sorry.
Excuse me. Hey.
Wait, what the heck? How did the whoa! There's Maddie. Wait, Maddie, pop in. Woo. The bus is taking forever to go though. I just wanna go. I'm kinda hungry.
Me too.
Let's pass out the snacks.
Ask him when we're gonna get the snacks.
Thank you, I love you.
Okay.
Spooky!
Oh my god. It's been like what, an hour?
About, yeah.
And we still have like another hour to go.
We have, look it up. We have.
Everyone's kind of like, okay, we've been given drinks and we've been fed chips. So
I think we're getting candy right now.
Oh, everyone's like getting like tired.
I'm hungry.
We had chips.
There's an hour and 6 minutes. Okay, chips isn't a meal. Like,
No, it's not. Oh.
like I want food. Right, Valerie? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I want to eat. I kind of want to eat first, pero a lo mejor no tan pesado. Sí. Ellen, are you hungry?
Anyways. Oh, we're getting candy. Yeah, well, Bianca's not a senior.
Oh, don't give her one then. She's not a senior.
Bianca snuck onto our bus. I'm just joking, she didn't.
Mary, you can leave this bus too.
As you can see, I made myself very comfortable here. I've reclined my chair back with the help of Axel. And I have my jacket as like a pillow. And like I'm like literally like, oh, it's gonna seem like I'm talking to myself. Anyways,
Do you guys have this stuff?
yes, I do. You're in my class.
Who?
Of who?
Miss Piggy. Here.
Hello? No, not the flashlight. Oh my god. Oh, wait. We have 30 more minutes left. Oh, this is so
National
bright.
Abduct the Child Day today,
That's not
apparently.
funny. That's not funny. It's because I've been getting what's called an Amber Alert like all day. Like
And I don't receive Amber Alerts or like the presidential alerts or anything, so if there's like an emergency and I'm home alone, I'm gonna die.
yeah. Okay, that was the update. 30 minutes. I have to pee really bad. Okay. I would like to update and say our bus driver freaking sucks.
I'm pissed.
Because he took like a wrong turn. Oh, no, you were there, basically there, and he's
We
like,
were
oh.
a mile away.
Yeah, and he's like, oh, we're gonna go on the freeway again and go into traffic. So it's been like 30 more minutes.
And we're still not there.
Yeah.
Who? Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
It's literally been like 5 minutes since we got in, and my heart literally stopped like 10 times because they just come up to you and they like act like they're their friend, but they're scary. We can't find a maze though, and that's the whole reason we came.
Ooh, they coming out of here, Ashley.
And we're next to a spot where they come out. Our friends are in the bathroom. We're waiting for them. I sound like I want to cry. I kind of do. He just blocked my light. Okay. We're about to get food because we're starving. All of us are kind of like in a bad mood because we haven't ate.
Yeah.
So,
I almost pooped my pants already.
yeah, I've gotten spooked like good, like 3 times. We're gonna get pizza. We're gonna get pizza.
Scared me. I was like,
What do you have to say? Oh, Ellen, I was watching the whole the last vlog, and like I was talking, and you were just like smiling in the back. You were like, I always do that. I was like, oh, okay. Hey guys, okay, so I haven't vlogged in like a really long time because we've been scared, and in the mazes I haven't vlogged either because I'm like I'll drop my phone and stuff.
she yells a lot.
I scream, like I know like I'm not gonna have my voice in the morning, like I can already feel it. And right now we're in line to get funnel cakes. I've never had one before and I'm excited.
First timer.
Yeah, me and Ellen are waiting in line while the rest of them are sitting, taking a
They're
break.
lazy.
Yeah, I need to take a break too because my knee's hurting, so that's a problem. That was your little update. I got really scared like just a second ago. It was really bad. Yeah, that was the update. Okay.